Today we got to explore the Territory Wildlife Park for a lesson about reptiles. We meet a northern quoll called Mayhem, who isn't a reptile but was very cute, and many more reptiles as the day went on. It's part of the Junior Ranger program to help us discover more about nature.
It's a way to get kids out and about into the bush, learn a bit about the environment, animals, plants, different things that are going on, and mostly have fun, make new friends.
We visited the nocturnal house and aquarium to see the reptiles who live there, including some tiny turtles and a giant crocodile.
There's actually baby turtles on the other side which are very cute, so make sure you have a look at them.
While it was a lot of fun, there were also some important lessons for us to learn.
The main thing is I hope you just build an enjoyment for the environment and in the future a willingness to protect it.
I like being a wildlife ranger because I get to see animals and look at trees. At the end of our visit, I asked some of the other rangers what their favourite parts were.
I liked the aquarium because I really like the turtles there. I like the snakes and the little mammals because they're kind of quite interesting. My favourite animal I saw today was, I'm going to say the wallaby, the baby wallaby.
1, 2, 3, go!
A fun way to learn an important lesson. Ashlee Scully, ABC News.